Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Faisal once again. Welcome back to EMIRATES Diary. Today I have planned to make a short trip. You will find an adventure trip because the way I am going, the road is itself an adventure. So let's move on and see how it is. So this is the adventure on road. You can see that this road is so much zigzag. So when you are driving, you have to be more careful because there is too much curve and there is slope as well. So if you are an adventure loving people, you can come here to taste your driving. You can see all around big mountains. Here we go. You can see from here that tunnel is visible. This is dig out the complete mountains and made these tunnels. So you can come for a short trip here if you are loving for adventure, especially the road. So just keep watching EMIRATES Diary. Hope to see you next time.